And now I need to download drive for Canon PIXMA. This here the serial, and this here the your type the driver download. And please why I'm search the official website. Okay, this here the official website. Click here and please why website loading. Okay, this here the landing page website. Epson official, Canon official, and you click here. This here the driver Linux, and you select operating system version. You click here. This here the operating system version. For the I am recommendation for you download package driver. This here the include much driver. The one I am need show you for Mac OS. This here for driver Mac OS. If you select operating system version, you click here. This is the operating system for Windows for Mac 11 and Mac 12 and much driver for Mac version, and click here the I am testing for Mac 12. Click here, and this here the driver, and this here the release update that release update. Okay. And this here the driver printer, and this here the easy photo print, and for the this here the software for quick menu, and Canon for network printer for Mac OS. This here for Linux. Click here. This here for Linux for Windows for Windows for Windows 11. Click here. This here for Windows 11. You're looking here. This here the release update, and full driver and software package for the Windows, and this here the printer driver and printer driver EPX. I am recommendation for you. Download here for package driver, full driver and software package. This here the driver package include for the printer, for the scanner, for the Wi-Fi. This here they include for driver complete package. For if you need download driver print only, this here the driver print only. This here the easy layout editing and extended software and program patch, and easy photo print. This here the easy photo print. You looking the release update this year. This video I need download driver full package for Windows. I am recommendation for you download here. Click here. This one loading again. Okay, this here the outline, the title, and about the driver, and this here the request system requirement for the Windows 11, support for the Windows 8, support for the Windows 9.1, support for the Windows 9, support Windows 7, support Windows Vista, and Windows XP support. This here the setup instruction for the double click for the downloaded, and it will be the compresses the setup screen will be display below the instruction to install the software and platform for this setting. If you need to load, you click here, but you click here. If you not click here, you button show not to load, and you click here. I already read and agree, and this here button download show, and click button download. Okay, this driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and you click run as the is white finish driver download. You click run as the driver detect the USB printer. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video.